Hey everyone, okay, so it seems everybody is quitting YouTube. And while I'm not quitting YouTube, what I am doing is reducing the frequency of which I upload, which will now be on a Monday and every Monday going forward. Now, I've been on YouTube now for 13 years, I think. It's a long time. When I look back at some of the people that started with me and around that time, almost all of them are gone. And there's lots of reasons for that. And like I said, while I'm not going, I am reducing the frequency. Part of the reason is longevity, because I have been doing this for so long now. And, it can't go on indefinitely forever. But once a week is good. It also allows me to refresh a little bit, because even though my videos aren't particularly complicated, they aren't quite time consuming to make and edit and all that stuff. Since I do that myself, there's certainly no team behind me. So it gives me a chance to recuperate and try and offer better videos. There is a gaggle of them coming out with technique-based ones. So I'm hoping you'll really like those, because I've got some great ones for foundation and eyeshadow and concealer. So there's a lot coming up. So I'm really hoping you'll like it. And that's really the update with this. The other thing I wanted to mention, because it's just something I think this year, the past year, 2023, sorry, I've got an itch, it was a very, very stressful year. This year, I'm hoping will be less stressful. There's a lot of exciting things happening. Fingers crossed, I'll be launching in 3 stores here in the UK. Fingers crossed, and launching in other stores globally as well. So there's a lot of things happening. Obviously, there are new brush sets coming. 2 of the brush sets are very, very affordable. So I'm so excited for you to see them, because they are just beautiful. They really are. And obviously, I've got the skincare and the makeup line, which I'm currently working on as well. So there's a lot of things coming, but it has been very stressful time to deal with all of those things as well. But hopefully this year we'll see some amazing things happening. And also in the evenings, because there is no team with me, I try and do everything myself that I can. My evenings are spent caring for somebody who needs extra help. And it can be, and it has been, and continues to be quite stressful and incredibly sad, and at times depressing. And anybody who's ever cared for anybody, or when I say cared for, spends a huge amount of time with and deals with the problems that go with that, it can feel it's a difficult process. So there's been a lot going on. So that's the update. Every Monday, a new video will be released. There is so much newness coming in the next couple of months. I'm so excited for you to see it, because for a long time I've wanted to create a collection of brushes that were incredibly high quality, incredibly affordable, and suitable for everyone. And these will be coming very soon, along with all the things that I spoke about a moment ago. So there you go. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. It's been a long time on YouTube. 13 years I've been here. It's a long time. It feels like a long time as well. YouTube is a dream job for a lot of people. I think a lot of people see it as this glamorous life. When I started on YouTube, no one was glamorous. Everyone was in their bedroom. They were filming on webcams. It was dodgy. And those were good days. YouTube looks very different now. YouTube looks very aspirational, like Instagram, where everybody looks rich and is living this perfect life. And that really is not the case. It's changed a lot. And I kind of miss the old days. Not gonna lie. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.